Hey everybody, in the shop again. This time at this old wood lathe, turning some Osage orange hammer handles. I had a neighbor friend ask me to uh, make some handles for his buddy. So that's what I'm doing here on this crazy old lathe. This lathe has kind of a cool story. Um, it was dropped off one day by a neighbor who had just had this thing laying in his yard out in the weather, and it had like vines growing through the motor and had basically been forgotten, was probably going to end up in a scrap yard or something. One day, my brother and I got a wild hair, chucked this thing up and on a table, and basically just plugged it in after we ripped the vines out to see if it would do anything. And lo and behold, the damn thing started running. So we all the squirrel nuts and dirt and debris and everything, and been putting good use to it, making cool hammer handles and all kinds of stuff. It's not perfect, but it does the trick. I'm using just like regular woodworking chisels. They're nothing super, and gouges, nothing super special. They're doing the trick. It just goes to show you don't have to have fancy $1,000 machinery to make cool stuff. An old junker like this do the trick. It's kind of unique. It's mounted on like a pipe instead of like your normal rails and ways, I think they call them. This has just a straight piece of pipe that everything slides on. Here's some of the finished products. Big old ball peen. There's like a punch. I think these are for someone who wants to do some forging. So, fun stuff. Thanks for watching. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Peace.